Hello friends, myself Mr. Prasanna Prabhakar Joshi. I am from Siddheshwar College, Mazilgaon. Today I am going to explain some points of human reproduction, because in the last some periods Mr. Swami sir from Perli have already teach the half chapter, and the remaining part of that chapter is going to teach today. So we are going to revise the first part, and then we are going to towards today's parts. So the first thing, that is, in the last some periods we have studied about the what is meant by reproduction, the types of reproduction, that is the sexual reproduction, asexual reproduction, then the human reproductive system, and concerned to human reproductive system, male and female systems are there, in which we have already studied the male reproductive system as well as the female reproductive system. In the female reproductive system, we have already studied the structure of ovary. So, structure of ovary. Today we are going to understand about the menstrual cycle. So before that we have to understand, we have to revise that is the structure of ovary, and then we are going towards the point, that is the menstrual cycle. So here is a structure of ovary, which we have studied in the last period. So that is the structure of ovary, and that is we will start from the developing primary follicle. So primary follicles are developed in the female reproductive system before birth. We know that there are millions of primordial follicles are present at the time of birth in the female reproductive system. In the menstrual cycle, each primary follicle is developed into a Graafian follicle one by one. So that is so many primary follicles are present. In the first, that is the slide, these are the primary follicles. There are millions of primary follicles are present in the human ovary. One of these primary follicle is developed in the secondary oocyte. That is the primary follicle developed into secondary follicle, then it developed into a secondary oocyte, that is the Graafian follicle, and the ovulation takes place. So these are the various steps which takes place during the one menstrual cycle. So that is and then after ovulation, each ova, after releasing ova, the empty Graafian follicle is converted into, that is the corpus luteum. The corpus luteum secretes the hormone, that is the progesterone, and after if pregnancy does not take place, it gets converted into corpus albicans and then degenerate. So that is the structure of ovary, whatever we have studied in the last period. Now today we are going to understand about the menstrual cycle.